Hi, one of the fellow students taking the vPython classes that Paul McWhorter's doing was having trouble understanding positioning around a circle with his axis vectors. So I figured I'd make this little short video, try to help him out. Okay, so first thing we got to do is you got to understand that we're actually getting X and Y values here, and it's kind of disconnected from what you would normally think of where a circle would start. So if we have 0, we can go over here, and cosine of 0 is equal to 1, and sine of 0 is equal to 0. So if we go back over here, so we have 2 times 1 for X, which is 2, and 2 times 0 is Y. So that's 0. So if this is our 0 spot, we're going to come over 2 in the X direction, but we're not going to go up or down. We're going to stay at 0 on that. So for when we use cosine and then sine, the 0 spot's always going to be at the 3 o'clock position. So we can run this and show that it's going to be at 3 o'clock. Here's 0, 0, and it's pointing to 3 o'clock. So then you were asking why you had to go to 2.2 pi. Well, you're starting off at the 0.8. I didn't type that one in, negative 0.8. So you wanted to start off, so you're here at 0, and you wanted your 0 point to be 0.8 pi, which I think you can understand now because halfway around 1 pi, so that would be 0.8. But then when you're mapping it, this position here could also be 0.2, but because you're mapping the values, you have to have an increasing thing here. So you had 0.8, and then it's a negative, so you're actually decreasing, but the number value is going up, and you're coming around to 2.2 pi. So you're going all the way around back to 0 is 2, and then back to here. So that way your mapping works out that you're going that direction. So, and we can show you that you already know that the 2.2 pi ends up at that. So you got all the way around, and then that's where your 8 is. But the reason that you can't use 0.2 is because then your mapping would try to put it in between these two probably. So you had to go around a circle and get that. So I hope I explained that well enough for you to understand. Hope to see more videos from you. Thanks.